Good morning, dear children, parents, and teachers. Wish you a very happy Children's Day and a joyful day of Diwali. As Children's Day is around the corner, it reminds me of the innocence, love, and purity, the freshness, the magic that you, my children, bring. You are the beautiful flowers that bloom on this wonderful earth and make this world a beautiful place to live. Your radiant eyes show your desire to be successful in life and achieve your goals, and I long for the day when your achievements will be celebrated by all of us. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru always said that children are the future of the nation, and hence they should be raised with love, care, and affection. This day also reminds everyone that the children should be provided with better childhood and protected from all harms. Today, we have two celebrations coinciding, that is, Diwali, the festival of lights, and Children's Day. We, the Xaverians, have been celebrating these festivals with fun and frolic, but due to this pandemic of COVID 19, this year it may not be possible. But I hope that this situation may pass away very soon and bring our lives on track again. Dear children, I wish you all to stay safe at home. I would recommend you to celebrate Green Diwali, as crackers produce a lot of smoke, which is very dangerous for all of us. At the end, let us all pray on this Diwali, the festival of hope, the new beginning to dispense away the darkness of hatred, enmity, ignorance, and most important, COVID 19. May God bless you on this great day. Happy Children's Day and Happy Diwali. Have a blessed day.
Hi friends, my name is Chahat, class 1st C, Sanjay School. Let us sing a Children's Day song. We are birds in the garden. We are stars in the sky. We are birds in the garden. We are stars in the sky. We are children, we want to shine. We are children, we want to shine. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. We are the light in the darkness. We share a mission. We are the light in the darkness. We are the future of a nation. We are children, we want to shine. We are children, we want to shine. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. We are a smile on the faces. We are a smile on the faces. We are the children, we want to shine. We are children, we to shine. Happy Children's Day.
Respected Principal, Sister Lovely George, Ebenezer, Reverend Father John Maria Vianney, Reverend Father Raxel, respected teachers and my dear friends. I, Akshita, of class 3rd, wishes you all a very happy Children's Day. This is a day that Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year. It is the birthday of our beloved Jawaharlal Nehru. He loved children very much. He said, children of today will make India of tomorrow. He raised much awareness for the betterment of the children. Colored crystals everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling to good wishes all to you and you. Colored crystals everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling to good wishes all to you and you. We think of Cha-Cha on this day, his love for us will always stay. This day is just a day for us as we celebrate our Children's Day. Color festivals everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling to good wishes all to you and you. Bringing fun back to our minds was Cha-Cha's birthday, you will find. He loved children with all his heart, from them he never liked to part. Color crystals everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling to good wishes all to you and you. Color crystals everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling to good wishes all to you and you.
Good morning. My name is Dipti Kaur from second C class and from St. Xavier School. Happy Children's Day, all of you. Thank you.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ, हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। सापा धारे गारे गामा पासा बम 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 बोले, ए बम चिक बोले, अरे मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे, बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे।
A warm welcome to the principal, teachers, parents and all my friends. My name is Mishti. I study in third A class. First of all, I thank my class teacher for offering me such a great opportunity to perform here. Today I am going to show you dance on Children's Day.